Hello, precious family. Welcome back to Glorious and Brasia Kitchen. Adeshia Mami Mobi Biara Akwaba. Hey, today we are at Gob. I'm looking for a jeans, a jeans biashe. So I'm looking through to get my size. I took two different sizes. I'm gonna try them on to see. The one that fits is mine. Yeah. So the jeans that I took, the white one, it's like off-white though. Then the top, that's how the mannequin was wearing. That's how they dressed the mannequin. So I'm looking for my size. I think I took medium because Gap sometimes their sizes runs big. Yep, sometimes you see a small and you put it on and it fits. So I took medium. Yeah, and that blouse they have black and then that off-white. And luckily for me, it was 40% off the whole store. So I was lucky, and I'm a Gap member too, so plus 10% off. So it was good. Yep. So I'm just running through with the camera. So in case you see something that you like, you can go get it. Yeah, and the Gap near one, make a pair jeans back could be. You near money and I honey are nice. Yeah, Tino. 40% off plus Gap member 10% off. So in so what we need your hon who be out pair with me a cup no a check can I out. Yep. Here is the clearance section. I didn't get nothing from there. I looked through, but I didn't get anything that I like. So yep, they have nice new arrivals. Yep, the weather is changing, so spring and summer. Yep. So go check it out. Go check it out. Go check it out. No Gap, their stuff are quality. And those pants over there, it doesn't have belt hose, and I don't really like the pants without belt hose. Why? Because sometimes you lose and it's like it doesn't fit. So in case I lose weight and there's belt hose on the pants, then I can put on belt. You got me? Yes. Go Hana. What one ya hose belt hose in the hona. Oh, drink a crap and a error. But thanks for watching. Yes, I'm done. I got I think about 5 or 6 stuff.